Assalamu alaikum ji. I thought this is a good idea to discuss a very important issue that we need to discuss regarding the BLS courses. I've come to know that there is some problem with the lesson 8 of the BLS plan. If you look at the BLS plan, it's lesson 8 with the infant BLS. If you go down after playing the video to discuss the scenario, infant BLS and compressions, the video pauses and asks the student to practice while watching of the infant compressions. Once this is done, the video plays again, video pauses and we play the bag mask device for infants. Followed by we play the video and then we have the two rescued infants CPR. What is new is that we need to, once this is done, then after playing this video, we have a student practice scenario, the student practice session of high performance team activity, like we do it for the adults. This section has not been, I've seen that has not been taught in several courses. Please, we need to start doing. Now there are two high performance team activities, one in adult and one in infant. So it gives a very good reinforcement when you're doing it in the adult. We identify that the CCF is low, and then you identify how can you improve, or फिर उसका result you see it in when you do the high performance team activity. This is not optional, this is the mandatory part of the course, and please all the instructors with the BLS should comply and start doing this section. I mean, please give me feedback on the group whenever we have started these things. This is very important. Thank you so much.